I have tested a ton of new budget smartphones. Some are trash and some surprise you. The Infinix Smart 10 Plus landed on my desk with a lot of hype, but also a lot of questions with divided opinions on its design. So I put it through the test and here's what I think. This phone looks sharp, not budget phone trying too hard sharp. Legit solid. Matte finish, good grip, and it's got an IP64 rating, which means dust and splash resistance, even though it is made entirely of plastic. Yeah, that's rare in this price bracket, so already leading most of the competition. No specified drop resistance, at least that I'm aware of, so I'd be careful with everyday bumps and drops. It's got a 6.67 inches IPS LCD with HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. So for scrolling, honestly, it doesn't feel 120Hz, but it is still decent for its price. Watching videos is nice and clear, even though you'll need some shade under direct sunlight due to its 700 nits peak screen brightness. But that's a fair trade-off at this price. Consuming media is immersive thanks to its dual stereo speakers. The Smart 10 Plus has a Unisoc T7250 chipset with 4GB of RAM, plus virtual RAM that bumps it up to 8GB with a 128GB storage capacity, which by the way can be expanded via an SD card. Unisoc has left a bad taste in the mouth, but don't let it scare you off. This combo handles social media, messaging, and light gaming without choking. And for multitasking, it's not a flagship, so definitely expect some slight lags, which is normal in this price range. It will surely load up Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile, but how well it plays is a different discussion. With a 6000 mAh battery, the Smart 10 Plus is officially a beast. I got nearly 2 days on moderate use, calls, WhatsApp, YouTube, and a little gaming. Charging is at 18 watts, so not lightning fast, but solid enough to get you back in the game without waiting all day. For its camera, what you get is an 8 megapixels rear, 8 megapixels front. So definitely not winning any awards, but for quick snaps and video calls, it's fine. Daylight shots are decent, low light is noisy. Budget phone reality. Some reviewers will trash talk the camera, but honestly, it is exactly what you pay for. By the way, it runs Android 15 Go edition with XOS 15. Lightweight but smooth. It also has Infinix AI Assistant that can help you with tasks like scheduling and scanning documents, including everyday research powered by DeepSeek. Trust me, the AI Assistant is a necessity, especially if you're juggling work and life. A low-key major highlight on the Smart 10 Plus is the newly introduced ultralink free call feature, which allows you to communicate with other people with same feature on their devices for free via Bluetooth. I think it even supports messaging as well. This is perfect for people in close proximities like hostels or offices. For security, the Smart 10 Plus offers face unlock and side-mounted fingerprints as options. So, who is this for? If you want a phone for socials and day-to-day activities, a second phone to support, or new to the budget lineup, this is for you. It will surely last all day with moderate use and won't break your bank, so also perfect for students. Heavy users and multitaskers should avoid this one. The Infinix Smart 10 Plus isn't perfect. No budget phone is. But it's smooth, reliable, and packed with features that matter. As for its design, I personally love it, and you are entitled to your opinion about it. If you still have any questions about the Infinix Smart 10 Plus after watching this video, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to give you answers. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel or follow depending on the platform. Thank you for your time. Till we see you again. Bye bye.